Fish on. Fish on. Decent fish. Oh yeah. 4 pounder to start her off with. Oh shit. That was a sharp ass thing I was in.
You had the thorns?
Wow. Yeah. That one munched the shit out of my line. Don't do me like that. Got him? I think I got out of the way.
2 of them right in the roof of the mouth.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking too. Yep. I think I need to switch to black.
I didn't even see him eat it.
Yeah, he's a boxer.
Nitro black.
Nitrous.
Nitrous. N-I-T-R-O-S.
Yeah, nitrous. It's like nitrous.
Yeah, I got your nitrous black shorts. I can't say I've spilled nitrous very many times.
I just boated one under 3 pounds, just right around there. That way. Oh. Good one. Get right in behind me, Travis. Or see the point on that primrose?
Yeah.
Big one came up and missed it right there. Yeah, there. 3 feet in front of you. Keep coming. Come. Keep coming. Hug right there. Yes! La assistance, brother! I literally just missed this fish and told Travis to swoop in there because I made a long cast. Beautiful. Yeah! Assistance, brother! Nice 6-pound assist. That's called non-selfish fishing. I could have reeled in, cast it back there, maybe got him, but Travis had the better timing because I was still halfway through my retrieve. Told him to throw right there and capitalized on it. Dude, that's teamwork right there, baby.
Yep. Old River to Mossdale.
That's where we got stuck on the sandbar. Nick is on the Y.
Oh my God, he broke me off.
He's trying to
get rid of it. You've got to be kidding me. Oh, I cut my knuckle open too when he busted loose.
He's still shaking that frog.
Tom Brady,
65.
Jesus.
I gouged the shit there. That's a big one. You're not wearing your buff. You're feeling like shortly. I know it feels good right now.
It's burning.
Got it. I got him. It was decent.
Going back.
I think he's just. I don't know. If
Yeah,
he's on there.
He's in there.
Oh yeah. There he is.
Oh, he got me a little wet.
Salad bar all over the boat. A little better. A lot of these guys, like these 2 to 2.5 pounders, seems to be good old classic delta. One freak open water. I asked
There you
for it.
go.
Just the wrong size, but I did ask for it. I did ask politely.
Bottom hooked him.
Yeah. Bottom jaw. Oh, that's a catch and release fish. He's got an old
I just had
old
one
hole.
come after my frog in open water right here. Kidding me?
Wasn't as bad as me.
Oh God, Travis, big one up over there. You see it?
Nope.
Got my eyes focused on it.
Over in Italy, on the wall. Missed that.
Which way? Right or left of that? Oh, on that primrose?
Here. Now he's actually under the edge of the hyacinth. Got him.
See if he's got a friend.
Not that big. Still a good fish. Still a good fish. That was dope. bomb that cast. Oh God, good one, good one. Get him, Rex. Get him, Rex. Get him, Rex. Another 5. Frog's gone. Can I please get one of those on, please? On a roll. Yeah. Oh God, got him. Another big one, Travis. This is it, brother. This is it, brother. All-time 5, bro. All-time 5. Both that full. I don't know if he's still on there. He's on it. He's on it. No, I don't know if he is. Yeah, he's on it. His tail's in there. You want me to get down and get him?
You might have to.
You got to load here. Don't let me blow this for Travis. Watch your step, Dad. My feet are down by you.
I don't know if he's on there. He's in there. He's not that big.
He's in there, I see him.
He's in there. He's not that big yet. He thought he was bigger.
Oh, I thought he was bigger.
He thought he was bigger.
Not bad though.
Oh man.
That's a good
All I
fish.
saw was white.
3 pounds.
Yeah, he's 3. That was a good one.
I think I got him foul hooked.
I think he just wrapped.
Yeah, he's wrapped.
Oh
Yeah. Yeah. Ah, good. Quick release. But this
was
motor
amazed
kicks
at the
ass for this.
difference it
Oh
made.
God.
yeah. He wouldn't let me go either.
Nope.
He like chomp 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 chomp
Chippy
chomp
chomp chomp chomp. Chippy chomp 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 chomp. Chippy chomp chomp chomp. I'm gonna let Travis keep catching all the 5 and 6 pounders. I'll get these 2s out of the way, Travis.
Yeah, you do that. You're doing great.
Try and get him for less than 300 bucks now.
Oh no. I didn't check. I didn't.
Lord.
Another 2 pounder.
How many times can you miss him? Oh, that frog is down there.
3 pounder. I'll take that back. Yeah, baby. Smoking them.
I threw that popping frog you got there for.
That looked like a good one. Feels decent. Not that big.
I threw that popping frog and I missed like 5 or 6 bites.
Oh, you got to modify the crap out of it, man.
I cut that thing off, threw it away. So pissed. Really short shank hooks.
Yep.